I am V.R. Patil Sir, Assistant Teacher, श्री पार्वती खेमचंद माध्यमिक व उच्च माध्यमिक विद्या मंदिर ताकारी. Today we are going to learn a lesson, an encounter of a special kind. An encounter of a special kind. Students, you open your textbook, page number 7. On that page, there is a chit-chat activity. First of all, we will try to understand the meaning of the title of this lesson. An encounter of a special kind. Encounter means face to face. Many times you heard this word when there is a conflict between criminals and police. We heard that some criminals encountered in that conflict. So, the meaning in Marathi, चकमक किंवा सामना, समोरासमोर येणे. But in this lesson, writer used this word in a different manner. Encounter of special kind, खास भेट. The meaning of the title is खास भेट. Many times in this lesson, the writer explained his experience about his life, how his life changed due to the incident happened in his life. When this incident happened in his life, he was 15 years old. And from that incident, how his life changed, he explained through his own story. Okay, now we'll see the chit-chat activity of this lesson. There is a first question. You look into your textbooks. There is a question. What do you see in the picture? There is a picture. There is a picture in this, on this page. Students, you will see there is a little girl who was trying to save the life of a dog. To save the life of a dog. There is next question. What do you think the girl is trying to do? The girl tries to save the life of that animal. Why? There is another question. Why? She is sympathy. She is a sympathy for that animal. We are human beings and we feel sympathy, we feel kindness to other human beings, other animals. बरेच वेळेला बाळांनो आपल्याला असं वाटतं की एखादा संकटात असेल, एखादा अडचणीत असेल तर त्याला संकटातून आपण वाचवलं पाहिजे. म्हणजे आपल्या मनातील दया, सहानुभूती जागृत होते. म्हणजे पुढचं जे चित्र आहे किंवा पुढची जी घटना आहे त्या घटनेमुळं आपल्या मनामध्ये दयेचा विचार येतो, सहानुभूतीचा विचार. म्हणजे मला याच्यासाठी, या संकटामध्ये मला त्या व्यक्तीसाठी काहीतरी केलं पाहिजे. थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज दॅट if you were in the place of that girl, what would you do? Very important question. What you would do for that? समजा बाळांनो विचारलंय की त्या ठिकाणी तुम्ही जर असता, म्हणजे त्या कुत्र्याला वाचवायचंय, ती मुलगी त्या पाण्यामधून चाललेली आहे, तिने त्या डोक्यावरती ती पाटी घेतली आणि त्या पाटीमध्ये ते कुत्रं ठेवलेलं आहे आणि पाणी तिच्या अगदी नाका तोंडापर्यंत येऊन पोहोचलेलं आहे. तरी सुद्धा आपल्या जीवाची पर्वा न करता ती पुढे जाण्याचा प्रयत्न करते. सो व्हॉट यू डू इन दॅट सिच्युएशन? जर तुम्ही असता तर तुमच्या मनामध्ये सुद्धा या लहान मुलीसारखे तुमच्या मनातले सुद्धा भाव हेच असते की मला त्यासाठी काहीतरी, त्या प्राण्यासाठी मला काहीतरी केलं पाहिजे. डू यू थिंक, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, डू यू थिंक शी विल बिकम सक्सेसफुल इन हर मिशन? इन हर मिशन, तुम्हाला असं वाटतंय का की या ठिकाणी ती मुलगी यशस्वी होईल? डेफिनेटली शी ट्रायज हर वेल टू सेव्ह दॅट एनिमल, टू सेव्ह दॅट डॉग. Okay, there is another question on the page number 7. Match the appropriate headings with their images. There is a question that there are 4 pictures on that page. One is related, the picture A, about the pastimes, what you do इन अ लेजर टाइम. मोकळ्या वेळेत आपण काय करतो, आपल्या आवडी काय. सेकंड पिक्चर बी इज एनग्रॉस्ड इन माय बुक. इन दॅट सेन्स पुस्तक वाचनामध्ये तो गुंग होऊन गेलेला आहे, ते चित्रामध्ये दाखवलं आहे. सी चित्रामध्ये, सी इन द पिक्चर, सी पिक्चर देयर इज a big building, big house, there is a greenery. And picture D is there is chaos, gongat thoda sa hai. So here 4 pictures and 4 titles is there. One is our luxurious bungalows, related with picture C. My favorite pastime is related with picture A. What a commotion, the picture is related with D. Engrossed in my book, the picture is related with B. So on page number 7, students, we have seen the activities of chit chat activity. After that, now we'll start the lesson and encounter of a special kind. Now I will read the first paragraph of this lesson. Listen carefully and at the same time try to look in your notebooks. My father was a medical professional working for a private company in Raniganj in West Bengal. The office